If you don't see incoming calls on Google Pixel 10a, let me show you what you can do to solve this issue. First of all, you can check if you do not have the DND mode activated, which usually is the reason why you cannot see incoming calls. So if we go to modes in here, you should be able to find do not disturb, and you want to make sure that it is not enabled. You can of course also open settings, and then in here go to modes in order to find DND mode as well. So of course make sure that it is not activated. Now, if the DND mode is not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, if this didn't help or you didn't have DND mode activated, we're gonna go to apps. Now over here, tap to see all apps. Next, we're gonna tap on the three dots in the upper right corner and choose to show system apps. Now we're gonna use the search icon right next to these three dots, and we're gonna type phone. Now in here, we need to go to the phone app. You want to force stop the app, go to permissions, and make sure that these permissions are allowed for the app. If some of them are not allowed, you want to tap on the permission and grant the permission for the app. You can also go to notifications and make sure that everything is enabled, like for example, allow full screen notifications. And in other, you should also make sure that everything is on. Next, we're gonna go to storage and cache, and you want to clear the storage completely. And afterwards, once we are done with everything in here, we're gonna go back. Now, going back to the search results, we're gonna choose phone and messaging storage. In here, you want to go to storage and cache. And if you can, you want to clear storage, if not, clear cache instead. And then go back. Next, we're gonna go to phone calls and do exactly the same thing, storage and cache. And if you can, clear storage, and if not, clear cache. Usually, if you clear the storage, the cache is also removed. And then we also have the phone services, so we're gonna go here as well and do exactly the same thing, just clear the storage. Besides that, once we are done with these apps, we're gonna also type calls. And okay, nothing really unusual in here. We have phone calls, but we have been in there already. Alright, so afterwards, you might also want to restart your phone, so if you can just reboot it. And then we're gonna open the phone app. And you want to check if this helps, and you should be able to see incoming calls after that. You may notice that the phone app looks slightly different this time. This is like a previous design or appearance for the phone app before one of the recent updates. But you don't have to worry about it because the app should work normally, just like before, without any issues. And after like some time, it should update to the new design again. You just have to give it some time to do so, but usually it happens rather quickly. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.